Been reading books of old, the legends and the myths.